Ask Tom on Home Show.
Meg from somewhere in the UK has a question about asbestos tile.
Yeah, she has a UK email address, but I couldn't figure out the postal code to figure out where she was. So somewhere in the UK.
It's England.
Somewhere in the UK, she pulled up the carpet, Tom, and she found these asbestos tiles underneath when she got there. Meg writes, the tile's in good condition and minimal cracks, and the floor isn't level. So I'm hoping to go over it with some leveling compound. Is this safe to do? And can you let me know the materials I need to use to prime and properly prepare those tiles to put it on top of? And once it's leveled, I'm hoping to come back and use ceramic tile over the top. So what's your advice on this leveling compound?
First off, let me just give a shout out to Asbestos. It is actually a fantastic product. It was misused and abused to a point where it affected a lot of people. So that's why it got such a bad name. And if you look at things in this world, that happens with a lot of different things. We just abuse them. So all of a sudden somebody says, okay, we'll just outlaw them forever. But that's for a different show. That's why they're in such good shape. But I don't know what UK standards are for this. If they do asbestos abatement is the word I'm looking for, or if they have rules and regulations on if you can cover it. But if it's okay to do it, the technique you're talking about will work. Putting leveling compound on top, putting your tile on top of that. You don't need to do anything. The leveling compound should adhere. You just want to make sure it's clean before you put down. It would be a fine, as far as I'm concerned, a fine application and preparation for the tiles. So I'm all green light on that one. But you still got to look at whether it's the UK or whether it's Wisconsin. Every state in the United States has different rules. I don't know how many states there are in the UK, maybe just one, but you might have different rules too. So find out what your local rules are and follow those.
Yeah, I don't know what the breakdown is on it. If you've got a question, no matter where on Earth you are, click on the Ask Tom button,
yes.
Like Meg did. But only if you're on Earth. Fill out the form. You can even send in pictures like Meg did. That really helps because, we are two nations separated by a common language. But home improvement?
Kind of.
We speak that in every language. That's exactly right. Yeah, they have a different word. They call football.
I don't understand it when people from England talk. So I don't
trunk
know
of the car is the boot. I don't, give me a break.
Well, Benjamin Franklin did that on purpose. But go ahead, Charlie.
A sedan car is called a saloon over there. So whatever. A saloon over here is something very different.
Yes,
so, indeed. But the same thing. What we do, same thing everywhere. And you send your videos and you'll see them right here by clicking that button. And we post new ones all the time on our YouTube channel at the Home Show Radio YouTube channel, of course, at HomeShowRadio.com.